Hey everyone, it's Irvin here. Team with Irvin. Today is December 21st, 2019, making today a Saturday. Today we're gonna go over the analysis for the week of the 23rd to the 26th of December. I just wanted to make sure, guys, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so by clicking the bell notification below. All the video, all the analysis that we do are totally free to you if you're using the triple arrow. If you're not using the triple arrow and want to join us, the link will be in the description below if you want to join us. Again, another great app that I think everyone should also join us so you will know when we post our videos is on our Facebook page, Forex USA group. And that we need to always put our disclaimers, as everybody needs to know, is we are not your financial advisor and never will. We're just another fellow traders looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips out of the market. And I want to also let you guys know that the month of December and January, the market is gonna be trending very slow. Please be careful. If you can secure between 10 to 20 pips, please do so and run. That is my best advice that I can do. But as you know, using the triple arrow is one of the easiest software that is in the market, and it's gonna be the best software in year 2020. In addition to that, the software is even getting better, and there will be a new feature coming in mid-January, and all those members that are already in our group are gonna be getting it for free. So if you haven't subscribed to our triple arrow system, the link is below if you want to consider for your 2020 year and make more pips out of this market. All right, so let's get to work and see what we have for this coming week, December 21st, 2019. We're gonna go ahead and start, guys, with our EURUSD. Remember, guys, we do our analysis on Sundays and then we come back on Wednesday evening. Now it's at 6 p.m. Eastern time, and we're gonna review all the work that we had done on Sunday. So far we are on the 6 months with 4 losses. Very proud of that, to close the year with a lot of success. And the reason that I said 6 months is because I'm showing you guys real analysis for 6 months in our new YouTube channel, and everything has worked extremely well. So very happy for the work that we do behind scenes. Try to educate you one way or another so you can understand more how the triple arrow works. Okay. All right. So what do we have for this week, guys? Look at here. We're gonna start with the EURUSD. We're gonna start on H4. Look at here, triple arrow came in here, right? And the market dropped. Now, what is my analysis for the week of for this new coming week on the 23rd, right? So what we're looking for is a creation of 2-3 candles down before the market reverse. But that is something where everyone should pay attention. But the reason here is why is the triple arrow performing the same, like giving us a bearish market? All right, so it's very simple, guys. Look at here, look who's in charge. Let me make this bigger so you can see it from far away. All right, look at that. Market did exactly what it's supposed to do. It's that simple. Trading is not hard. Look at that. Let me make it a different color. There you go. Triple arrows, it tells us it was bearish. Look what the market is doing. It's doing exactly what the triple arrows telling us that it was going to do. What I'm expecting to see this week is 3 more candle formation before we start seeing a small pullback, retesting our 38.2 Fibonacci line. It's that simple. And some of you guys tells me, Irvin, but you making this so simple. I don't understand how you do it. Can you please teach me? Sure. You guys know I do 101. So if you want me to do 101, obviously there is a small fee for it. But if you really want to get educated the way I think, then send me a private message and I will teach you. I will take my time. I have a PDF. Everything that you learn, it will be given it to you in writing. All right. And remember, guys, on December 24, next week, I will be doing a live trading, teaching you guys from scratch how I do everything. Okay. So it will be about 10 minutes, 15 minutes video, but it's not going to be recorded. So do not expect to be recorded because it's not going to be anywhere. So please join me on the 24th at 11 a.m. and don't miss out this huge opportunity. That is my Christmas gift to you guys. If you miss it this year, then you're gonna have to wait for the next Christmas 2020. Okay. All right, guys. Let's move on to our next pair. Let's move on to our Australian dollar versus our US dollar. All right. Remember this, guys. The overall, this trend is bullish. So we aiming here for only a small pullback. But look at here. Look at who's in charge. What do you think it is? All right. Market is bearish, right? So the market is performing exactly what the triple arrow is telling us that it's gonna do. Now, what I'm expecting to see this week is I'm expecting to see a pullback from here, right? A continuation of the trend, retesting our 38.2 Fibonacci line before the market do a correction and retest our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. It's that simple, guys. Okay. But remember, the market overall, the trend is bullish, guys. Do not get fooled. So I always tell people, when you're gonna do a pullback triple arrow against the master trend, aim for 30-40 pip and get out, because you're not working with the trend. The trend is not your friend until it bent. Stand true, guys. All right. And make sure you guys on Wednesday class, please have questions, guys. I see that a lot of you are coming up with a very, very solid question, and that is the only way sometimes that you guys can learn. The more questions you ask, the better off you will get. Don't feel like it's gonna be a silly question. Nothing is silly. Nothing is silly, because I don't know what is in your mind. My thing to see this to help you guys is to unlock the unsecure things that you have in Forex. If you can just tell me, hey Irvin, look, this is the problem that I'm having, can you help me out? I will be more than happy to do so. Even though if I have to record a video to make sure I answer your question, I will do it. I will do it. I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you only if you want to get help. All right. Let's move on. Let's go to the next pair. Let's go into our USD versus our Canadian dollars. This is done on H4, guys. What I'm expecting to see this week, I'm expecting to see maybe 1 or 2 more candles to do a correction here, right? Let's make it here before the market goes up. Remember, the overall this trend is bullish, so I'm expecting to see a market to start reversing as what the overall trend is, as a bullish market. And look at here, guys. Look at who's in charge. This is what I always want you to make sure you know. Look at here. Triple arrow is telling you the market is bullish, guys. That's exactly what the market is doing. Look at that. Yes, of course, it's doing a small correction. What I said earlier is we're expecting about 2-3 candle formation here before the market takes off and come back to our 38 to our 50 Fibonacci line. It's that simple. And then we're going to come back on Wednesday and reanalyze it and see if we did well. I want you to be in the video and ask questions. All this education is totally free to you guys. All right? You're not paying anything to get the answers that you want. And make sure that they're not signals, guys. This is just an analysis. This is for educational purpose. All right? Let's go to USDJPY. Someone was challenging me today. Irvin, but what's going on with this pair? I think its market is bearish. Well, I always tell people, man, sometimes you gotta know what the overall is. We know the overall this trend is bullish. It's been bullish for so long. But now, yes, the market has triple arrow coming down. And that's what, look at how the market performed exactly what the overall is, what the triple arrow is doing. But what happened here? Remember, the market is bullish. It took everybody off. But everyone is getting upset. Yeah, but I thought the market was bearish. It was a pullback. What I'm expecting to see this week, I was expecting to see a small 1 or 2 more candle before the market reverse and retest our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. And then it's going to do a small pullback, retesting our 38.2 Fibonacci. But we're going to come back on Wednesday, reanalyze it. I want you to be in the video so you can work with me and wrestle this. But that's the only way you guys will learn. Participate. Participate. This is very straightforward, guys. It's not hard. And look, I don't use no silly indicators. I use zero indicator. Why would I be adding indicators in here? You're not paying for an indicator. You pay to have triple arrow. That's what you need to learn. Straightforward. Straightforward to the point. If I start adding a bunch of indicators here, you're going to be getting confused. You will never get to the point. You will be like, oh my God, this is so difficult. That's what people say, Irving, but why you make this so simple? It's simple. It's simple. You know, my little girl, she's only 5 years old, and she knows how to read this stuff. It's so damn simple, guys. All right, let's move forward. I get very excited when I talk about Forex, guys. Look at here. Look at here. This is on the USD Swiss francs. This is done on H4. Now the question is, what am I expecting to see this week? Look at here. Look at here. That's a bullish market. Triple arrow coming in there. Retesting our 0 Fibonacci line. Irving, what is the analysis for this week? Yes, sure. Let me give it to you. My analysis for this week is to come back and retest mid 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line. Before it does a correction and a drop and retest our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. But remember, the overall this trend is bearish, guys. Don't get fooled. It's not bullish. The bullish is just is a pullback, triple arrow. You need to be trading with the trend, not against the trend. That's what I'm gonna be teaching you on the 24th. And you will love it. You will love this class. If you're gonna miss this class, I'm gonna feel sorry for you, because I am not gonna be telling you this over and over again. I want you to be in the class. It's free. It's free. Anyway, everything I do is free, except the 101, because it takes time. All right. Any question, guys? Hopefully you come back on Wednesday ready and asking questions for this pair. All right, let's move on to the next one. Let's go into our GBP versus our Japanese yen. Look at this. This is done on 4 hours. All right. Let me make a circle here so you can see it. Look at that. Rectangle box. So Irvin, what is going on with this pair? Well, here it is. Triple arrow. The triple arrow dropped. Triple arrow saying it was coming down. Look what the triple arrow did, guys. It performed exactly what it was supposed to do. What is my analysis for this coming week? I'm supposed to see a 3-4 more candle, 2-3-4 candle before the market does a correction and come back and retest our 50 to our 38 Fibonacci line. But now it's like, Irvin, but why would you say the market is going to come back and retest that area? Well, it's because the market's, the overall this trend is bullish. It's not bearish. It's bullish, guys. Let me take this drawing, man. I hate when that happens. Yeah, the overall this trend is bullish. Well, what you see in here is a triple arrow pullback. There you go. So what I'm expecting to see is, you know, a few more candles here before the market reverses and goes up. And then we're going to come back on Wednesday and reanalyze this pair. But I want you to be in it. I don't want to be alone. I need you to join me. Okay? I really want you to join me on Wednesday. And make sure if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so. Click the bell notification below so you can be aware of when we post videos. Okay. All right, let's move on to the next one. Let's go to our New Zealand dollar versus our US dollar. Look at this. This is so amazing. Look at this. This is it seems like a sexy lady dancing in this area. Look at here. Look at this sexy lady here. Bang. It's telling you, hey, I'm here. Come and get my number. I'm coming down. Coming with you. All you got to do is listen to it. Look at that. It's that simple, guys. This is, in my opinion, this is immediately sell. But remember, I don't do signals. So, hey, Irvin, but you told me this was a sell. I didn't tell you anything. I didn't tell anyone not what to do. This is an educational purpose. You can do whatever you want with my analysis. But in my opinion, this is a sell. Here. All right. Why? Look at it. Look at that. Equal triple arrow. Triple arrow is telling it was a sell. Well, that's exactly what the market is doing. It's not doing anything else. Triple arrow is super easy, guys. I mean, if you're struggling, please let me know or ask anyone in our chat room. Remember, we are over hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of members. Someone got to help you. But if you want to get one-on-one with me, it's different. That's a different story. You send me a private message and I book a time and we start making money next week. Next year, 2020 will be your best year ever. But you got to help yourself. Look at it this way. This guy was telling me, hey, Irvin, I fund my account with $1,000. I didn't know what I was doing. And I blow my $1,000 account. And then he took my one-on-one. He said, Irvin, I make over 4K. I mean, trust me. You can fund your account and blow it up. And you're still not going to learn. Invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. The game is here. The game is not going to go anywhere. But your account is going to be blowing many, many times. Let's go to the next pair. Let's go to Swiss francs versus our Japanese yen. What time frame is this? H4, guys. 4 hours. Look at here. Market is bullish, right? Overall trend is bullish on this one. Look at this. Who's in charge in there? It's a triple arrow pullback. Is the system performing exactly what the triple arrow is telling you to do? Yes, it is. Look at that. I'm expecting to see, a few more candles here, maybe to retest our 23 Fibonacci line before it does a small pullback. But we're gonna come back on Wednesday and check it out. And people, some of you guys are asking me, oh, Irvin, can you show me how to read Fibonacci? Not there yet, guys. I know how to do it my way. I can teach you my way. And it works pretty well. It's not gonna take that long. It's just an amazing tool. And I did a class the other day, the setting, how I set up my info plus. If you haven't watched that video, I highly recommend it to everyone to do it. I did 2 parts, which is this one here. I did all the exact same settings that I have. You can go back and check that video. Or maybe I'm gonna post it on the description of this video. Pay attention to that, or at the end. So if you want to be check that out, okay? But it's pretty neat. I broke it down into 2 different parts. So phase 1 and phase 2, so you will know. Some of you like only phase 1, which is on the top. Some of you don't like phase 2, but I mean, it's there. It's there. It's free. Let me know. Whatever indicator you want me to test it out, I'll do it for you. But I mean, you're the one who need help, so I'm here to help you. Only what if you want to get help. All right. Let's move on. Let's go into our GBP versus our New Zealand dollar. What time frame is this again? H4. What I'm expecting to see this week? I'm expecting to see a triple arrow formation in this area, to be honest. And here, we're gonna come back on Wednesday and reanalyze. But I'm expecting to see 3 more candles here before the market takes off and retest our 23 Fibonacci line, 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line, and do what next? It's gonna do a pullback, retesting our triple arrow. Hopefully, it will be our triple arrow. But remember, the market is bearish. The overall this trend is bearish. For those of you who has taken my class, they know what I'm talking about. That's what you're gonna be learning on the 24. Yeah, on the 24 at 11 a.m. Be there on time. Do not send me any message, guy. Do not send me any message. Say, hey, Irvin, yeah, I haven't purchased the triple arrow, but I want to be in your class. This is going to be only for our private members. Only for our private members. No one else. It's not going to be on YouTube. You're not going to find it anywhere. You're going to love it. Trust me. Triple arrow is the best system. If you're not a triple arrow member, the link is below. Just click on it. Look into it. You're not going to lose anything. Maybe you're already losing money. Maybe 2020, fiscal year 2020 is going to be the best year ever in your lifetime. And you got to get help. Someone got to teach you. And we're here to help you. All right. All right. So how many pairs have we done so far? Let me count it. So we need to know, because I forgot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to be analyzing 12 pairs. And remember, once again, month of December and January is going to be slow. In my opinion, try to grab 10 to 20 pip and get out. And be consistent. Your job is to be a profitable trader. Okay? Let's go to our Australian dollar versus our Canadian dollar. What time frame is this again? This is done on H4. Look at here. Tell me triple arrow is not easy to use, guys. Look at how simple it is. Triple arrow is there. Look at what the market is doing. Market performed exactly what it did. For now, it just did a small pullback. But what I'm expecting to see this week, I'm expecting to see a retracement back, retesting our 23 to our 50 Fibonacci line. And then it's going to do what? It's going to come back and retest our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci. And then we take it from there on Wednesday. It's that simple. But remember, the overall this trend is bullish, guys. It's bullish. Okay? All right then. Any question? If you do, make sure you bring it on Wednesday. Because I'm going to be here to help you. And share this video with all the social media guys. Then triple arrow, everybody should have triple arrow in their system. Okay? It's easy, man. We need to change the world. Trust me, if you make $1,000 or $5,000 out of the market, you're not taking those $5,000 from my bank account. So I'm not going to get mad. If you make money, I'm happy for you. Please pay it forward. Help someone else. But don't think I'm going to be selfish and say, oh yeah, you make $1,000, give me $500. I don't care about that. I want you to help yourself. If I can help the world, trust me, I will be happy. God will pay me somehow. That's why God paid me with knowledge, to give it to you guys for free. Okay? All right, let's move forward. This is done on the GBP Canadian. All right, it's here. Let me show it to you. See here? GBP Canadian. What time frame is this? 4 hours. Again, I made a video out of this indicator here. If you want it, watch that video. All the settings are in there, exactly my settings. So you will have exact same colors and everything. All right. So look at here, triple arrow coming in here. All right. Now, what I'm expecting to see this week, I'm expecting to see maybe 2 to 3 candles before the market reverse and give us a continuation, a small pullback, retesting our 61 to our 50 Fibonacci line. But pay attention to this area here. But the triple arrow don't lie. Look at this. Tell me if the triple arrow it lies. Market drop, but currently, market said it was going to come down. That's exactly what it did. Look at that. All those pips came in. All right. So, super easy, guys. Super easy. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. Team with Irvin. All those videos are extremely free. Nothing be charged for it. All right. Let's change the world, guys. And thank you so much for being a member of the Triple Arrow and joining us all this year. Very successful year. And hopefully 2020 will be your year. Because I'm going to be here, continue teaching. At no charge. The only thing I do will charge you the one-on-one session. Okay? And I got a lot of pretty good testimony. A lot of you guys are extremely happy, making tons of pips now. But you're the only one who want to make the decision to change your life. It's only you, not me. I'm here. I'm okay here. All right, let's go to a last pair of the day, of the week. Look at what I'm supposed to see this week. This is done on the euro versus the New Zealand dollar. This is on what time frame is this? This is done on H4. Look at that, H4. What do you think? What do you think is the overall this trend, guys? What do you think is the market doing? Look at the candles. Candles are dropping. So this is a bearish market. So Irvin, what is the analysis for this week? Well, in my opinion, remember today is December 20, right? 21st. So what I'm expecting to see is maybe 3 more candle correcting, retesting our 0 Fibonacci line before the market takes off and do a correction and retest our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line. That's what I'm expecting to see this coming week. Obviously, we're going to come back on Wednesday and reanalyze this pair. And how do you guys want me to send this the link, guys? Please leave a comment below on this video. Let me know how you want me to post the link. I can do Zoom. I can do free conference call. I can do TeamViewer. I can do whatever you want. Whatever you guys want. But I want to get a survey of what you guys want. Write a comment below. Let me know. Or send me a private message. I'm here to help you. If you don't send me anything, I'm going to choose my way. If I get a survey and saying, Irvin, we all want this, then I will do it your way. I want you to be the voice. Okay? Alright guys, so thank you so much for coming in today. I think that's all I have for you. Make sure you tune in on the 23rd, 24th for free, 11 a.m. Your mind will be blowing. And trust me, what you're going to be learning is going to help you for 2020. And I have a PDF of that too. So that's the only thing I will not share with you. Okay? Alright guys, so once again, thank you. And I'm looking forward to seeing you back on Wednesday for our live session. Take care. Alright, bye-bye. See you guys.